Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send a birthday SMS to a client. Sending birthday SMS messages is a simple yet effective way to build trust and loyalty with patients. It shows patients they are valued as individuals, not just medical cases. This personal touch can strengthen relationships, making patients more likely to remain loyal and recommend your practice to others. A small gesture like a birthday message can leave a lasting impression, helping your practice stand out in a competitive industry. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up and sending a personalized birthday message, which is a great way to strengthen patient relationships. Let's get started. This video will start on the CRM screen, where the Build SMS/email tab will be the open tab by default. For a detailed overview on how to navigate the CRM screen, please refer to the Communication Segment User Manual linked in this video's description. To filter the recipients, click on the Filter for drop-down menu and select the patient option. Once selected, the screen will update. Next, let's filter the patients by birthday. Click on the Birthday/Last Visit drop-down menu and choose the birthday option. Thereafter, set the date range using the date field to specify the range of birthdays. Enter the start date and end date for your filter. For instance, we can filter to only show the birthday for the month of March. If you'd like, you can also filter by gender. Just click the gender drop-down and select the gender you want to include. For this example, we will select all for both genders. Once all the filters are set, click on the Filter Patients button. This will display a list of patients whose birthdays fall within your selected criteria. Once your filtered list is ready, the Send Bulk Email and Send Bulk SMS buttons will become available. Let's go with the Bulk SMS option for this example. The SMS workflow event screen will open, where we can configure the details for your SMS. For a more detailed explanation of this screen, refer to the Send an SMS user manual linked in this video's description. Click in the text field to enter your custom birthday message. For example, you can write, "It's your birthday this month. Dental practice hopes you have a joyous birthday." Alternatively, you can choose an SMS template if you have one set up for birthdays. To do this, click on the SMS drop-down menu and select the birthday SMS template. Please note, the SMS templates you see depend on what has been set up in your practice. For more details on creating templates, refer to the SMS Workflow Event Template Setup User Manual linked in this video's description. The birthday SMS template will automatically populate the message. The placeholders can help make bulk SMSs feel more personalized to each patient by, for instance, displaying each patient's name in the SMS. Please note that this section will show you how many of the patient's cell phone numbers are valid. As you see here, only 2 of the 3 cell phone numbers are valid, so please ensure that all your patients' numbers are correct before sending mass communication. Furthermore, you can further edit and personalize the message if necessary. Once you're satisfied with the message, click the Send button to send the birthday SMSs to all your filtered patients. A recent job section will appear, showing you the progress of the SMS messages being sent. And that's the end of this tutorial video. You've successfully sent birthday SMS messages to your patients, helping to build stronger relationships and improve patient loyalty. For more tutorials, be sure to check out our other videos and guides.